Try pressing your muscles for a moment. Do they feel soft or loose? If yes, it could be a sign that your testosterone levels are low. When your testosterone is high, your muscles stay firm and wide, your energy is strong, and your confidence feels at its peak. But when it drops, don't worry. In this video, I'll share practical, science-backed ways to naturally boost your testosterone levels. I've divided this guide into 6 powerful steps, and you definitely shouldn't skip steps 4 and 5. You might have noticed how some people stay strong and full of energy even after the age of 35. That's because a balanced diet and healthy habits help them maintain their testosterone levels. When those levels start to fall, your body begins to show a few clear signs. So let's look at 5 signs that indicate low testosterone. Sign 1. Hair and beard loss. Testosterone supports hair and beard growth. When it decreases, your hair may start thinning or falling, and your beard might grow patchy or slow. Sign 2. Muscle loss and weakness. Low testosterone causes gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. Your bones may also weaken, increasing the risk of injury or fractures in the future. Sign 3. Fat gain, especially around the belly. If your belly is growing without any clear reason, it could be because of low testosterone. Sign 4. Low energy and fatigue. Testosterone helps maintain your energy. When it's low, you may feel tired, lazy, or weak throughout the day. Sign 5. Mood swings and low confidence. If you feel more irritable, moody, or less confident, low testosterone might be the reason. This hormone plays a big role in your mental health and confidence. Now that you know the signs, let's see how to fix it naturally. Here are 6 practical steps to boost your testosterone the right way. Step 1. Improve your sleep quality. Sleep has a major impact on testosterone. Research shows that 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep every night is essential for hormone production. To improve your sleep, stop using screens like phones or laptops an hour before bed, sleep and wake up at the same time every day, and keep at least a 2-hour gap between dinner and bedtime. When your sleep quality improves, your testosterone levels naturally rise. Step 2. Exercise regularly. Whether you work out at home or in the gym, 30 to 40 minutes of daily exercise can make a big difference. Weight training and resistance workouts are especially effective. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups boost testosterone naturally. Keep progressive overload in your routine, meaning try lifting heavier weights or adding more reps each week. Regular strength training helps your body produce more testosterone. Step 3. Eat a testosterone-boosting diet. Your diet directly affects your hormone. Include healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. Add zinc and magnesium sources like pumpkin seeds, cashews, and dark chocolate. Include protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, paneer, and fish. Avoid sugar and processed foods because they lower testosterone. Natural boosters like ashwagandha, ginger, and garlic also help improve hormone balance and blood flow. The cleaner and more natural your diet, the higher your testosterone will stay. Step 4. Manage your stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which lowers testosterone. To control it, practice meditation or deep breathing for 10 minutes a day. Avoid overthinking and negativity as much as possible. Step 5. Get enough sunlight. Spending time in the sun increases vitamin D, which directly supports testosterone production. Try to get 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily, especially in the morning. If sunlight isn't available, vitamin D supplements can also help. Step 6. Try cold showers and intermittent fasting. Cold showers improve blood circulation and energy levels. Intermittent fasting helps regulate hormones. Instead of skipping breakfast completely, just avoid processed carbs and sugary foods in the morning. If you follow these 2 habits regularly, your body will naturally start producing more testosterone. If you're serious about boosting your testosterone, apply these 6 steps consistently and watch your body and energy transform.